So both Facebook and peasy has the ability to create custom audience and lookalike audience. But what makes them different from each other? So let's watch further to find out. Let me bring you through the process of creating custom audience and lookalike audience on both Facebook and as well as on peasy. So now let's bring you through on how to manually create segmented custom audience on Facebook. So when you're creating it on Facebook, you're not just creating one group of custom audience from your entire contact list. You have to create multiple of segments segmented by the conversion probability. And that may take up a lot of work and is troublesome. So let's go through the steps together. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Facebook Business Manager and then click on Audiences. Once the page has been loaded, click under Create Audience, and under there you will see two options, which is Custom Audience and also Lookalike Audience. So for today's, we will talk about Custom Audience. So you have to click on the Custom Audience. So after clicking on Custom Audience, you will see multiple options for you. But today we will be talking about uploading your contact list, so you have to click on Customer List. After that, you'll be able to see a guideline from Facebook on how to prepare your customer list and what kind of details and information they need. And after you press next, you have to select whether if the list you upload contains value or not. And after that, you can upload your customer list. There is also a file template for you to download from Facebook as a sample for you to refer to. So once you have uploaded your file, you can rename your file or your audience and also add a description if you like. So next will be for you to double check on all your map identifiers before you click proceed. And after that, you can just press upload. So you can see now that the customer list has been hashed and uploaded. And you're done. So you can see the uploaded contact list on your Facebook, and you keep in mind that you have to wait up to 36 hours for Facebook to fully process your custom audience. So that's why you can see that it is not available yet. It's written here not available. And this is what you need to do to upload one segment of custom audience on Facebook. And now you have to repeat the whole process again for other segments of includes and excludes of various customer qualification, such as warm, leads, qualified, reachable, and also new leads. So how to easily create segmented custom audience and lookalike audience on peasy? Using peasy, all you have to do is upload one contact list, and that's it. peasy will automatically create multiple custom audience and lookalike audience segmented by conversion probability. And you are in a dashboard. You can see there's the contact button below. So all you have to do is just click onto it and go into the contacts. So once you're into the contact listing, you will see there will be an import and export button on your right side. Just click on the import and you can drag and drop your file. There is also a sample format for you to download to see what are the details required. So make sure when you upload the file, it is in the form of CSV. So you can see once you've uploaded, you will get notification on your left side. So what do you do next? So just go into the dashboard and create your campaign as per usual. So once you're into it, there will be two options, full funnel or single campaign. We recommend clicking on the full funnel. You can also watch the video to learn more. The second thing you will have to put in is a campaign name. So after that, you will have to key in your campaign date, and you have to select an existing or you have to create a new lead form. And then make sure you have all these three details. So for the next one, so you have to put in what is your preferred number. So for this, we will put 500 leads. So you can select who do you want to target, new customers, repeating customers, or both. And then you have to put in your target location. And after that, your campaign is done. So once your campaign has been created, what we want to see is that the custom audience and also the lookalike audience that peasy has automatically created for you. And once you see the box with the audience name, to select on that. So you can also edit the details as per your liking. But as we scroll down, we can see that peasy has already automatically created a few custom audience and also lookalike audience category for you. You can also add in and customize your own later on, but this is the best recommended by the peasy.ai. So when you create a campaign with a lower target, Peasy will automatically recommend and use the custom audience and lookalike audience with the greatest conversion probability. On the other hand, when you create a campaign with a higher target, Peasy will automatically recommend and use more custom audience and lookalike audience for a more accurate reach and more guaranteed conversion probability. Follow us if you would like to know on how to update your custom audience and lookalike audience on Facebook and Peasy.